Want to know why I can't stop smelling my husband? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I am going to be bringing you confidence and clarity with essential oils. And today we're talking all about Timber Essential Oil Blend from Simply Earth. I'll talk about how to use it, how it works, and how to use it safely. Timber Essential Oil Blend has a woody and vanilla aroma that's slightly masculine without being overwhelming. It smells like walking through a wood full of vanilla trees or plants. It's perfect for DIY skincare products. It's gentle on the skin, it's moisturizing, helps balance oil production, and helps prevent acne. You can try it in our sleek and smooth shave butter recipe. I'll put a link to it in the description box below. It uses Timber Essential Oil Blend to help soothe the skin after shaving and moisturizes it. Another way you can use this blend is for its calming aroma. It's a great blend to put in a diffuser after a hard day or when you're trying to get to sleep at night. I love it in our No Stress Diffuser blend. You can check out this recipe in the description box. Next, let's talk about how this oil works. I'm going to list the different oils in this blend and tell you how they help this blend be so amazing. One of the oils in this blend is CYPRESS essential oil. It helps promote circulation to help keep your skin healthy. Cedarwood essential oil is also in this blend. It has a very calming aroma. It helps shrink pores to balance oil production. It's also antibacterial and supports wound healing. PATCHOULI essential oil brings a sweet kind of muskiness to this blend. Soothes and moisturizes skin. It's been used throughout history to help soothe all kinds of skin conditions. PERU balsam brings the vanilla aroma to this blend. This oil is known to help heal rashes, eczema, and other skin conditions. Mandarin essential oil brings a wild aroma to this blend. It adds a little bit of citrus without being overly sweet. It's antibacterial, improves the appearance of skin, and helps fight acne. Sandalwood essential oil is also in this blend. It's an amazing complement to other essential oils, help making them even more gentle on the skin for great personal care products. Let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. Always dilute an oil before putting it on the skin. We have a handy dilution chart that I'll link to below. This blend is safe to use with individuals aged 10 and up. You'll want to avoid using it around cats and dogs, as pine essential oils can be toxic to them. Whenever you are using essential oils around a pet, make sure to do it in an open room so that your pet can leave if they find the aroma distressing. Thanks for watching this video. To get more confidence and clarity on using essential oil, hit subscribe to see more great videos like this one.